Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone or iPad home button if it's not working and how to use iPhone without home button. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And before start, please don't forget to subscribe. The first and basic method is launch settings and tap on general. Now tap on reset and tap reset home screen layout and tap reset home screen. After that, go back to iPhone home screen and go to settings, scroll down, find and tap on accessibility and tap touch and tap assistive touch, turn on assistive touch. Now tap customize top level menu, tap on minus icon, tap that one and select home, tap done. That's it. Now you will use assistive touch as a home button. Hopefully friends, now you all know how to use iPhone without home button. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.